Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition, at the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it to open the Bluetooth settings. Do the same on the second smartphone or the device that you want to connect. And here I got the smartphone that I want to connect. So just pick up from the list the device that you want to connect. So I'm going for my Huawei P30 Pro. Accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see, right now they are connected. So that's how you can connect the Bluetooth device to your S20 FE edition. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!